Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's. You can't beat the convenience of store-bought ice cream, but homemade ice cream is such a treat and easier to make than you might think. With this recipe, I'll show you how you can make rich and creamy homemade ice cream in just a few minutes without an ice cream maker. This is the no-churn method for homemade ice cream, and the main ingredients are just whipping cream and sweetened condensed milk. The caramel that I'm using for this recipe is my homemade molasses caramel sauce, and you can find the recipe for that on our website. For a quicker option, you can use store-bought caramel sauce. Now let's get started. First, line a 9 by 5 inch bread pan with parchment paper. Then, in a small bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk and the molasses. Now, in a large bowl, whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Add in the sweetened condensed milk mixture and powdered ginger and keep whipping until they are incorporated into the cream and the mixture is nice and thick. Gently fold in the candied ginger and drizzle in most of the caramel sauce. Stir it once or twice, making sure that there are thick ribbons of caramel throughout. Scrape the mixture into the pan and smooth out the top. Then drizzle the remaining caramel sauce over the top and draw a butter knife through the mixture in a figure 8 to incorporate the last bit of sauce. Freeze for at least 6 hours. That's it. Decadently creamy ginger caramel ice cream is yours to enjoy, and you don't even need an ice cream maker. For more easy and delicious molasses recipes, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.